What?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an affordable wig that I'm going to be showing you all from Bestlacewigs. So this is what the box looks like. I get comments quite often for those who are interested in wearing a wig, but they want something that's a little more budget friendly. So today's video is one where I'm going to showcase a unit that is perfect for the summer, perfect for back to school, and it's only $39. So you cannot beat that. This is 100% human hair, which is great, and their units are always on point. They do a great deal of the work for you. So I'm going to take it out of the packaging and show y'all what it looks like. Now here is the unit, and it is a bob. I love bobs, guys. It comes with 2 combs on the side. You get a comb at the bottom, and y'all, the knots have already been bleached. I don't know if you can see it while it's in my hand, but I am gonna put it on my mannequin head. Pre-plucked hairline, everything that you get, all the bells and whistles that generally come with a unit that's more on the expensive side, you're gonna get with this one. They are running this special for only July and August, so you wanna jump on it now. As you can see, it's a nice bob, very realistic. The cut is done really nice, pretty blunt. It's not asymmetrical. It doesn't appear that one side is longer than the other. It's just pretty consistent throughout. So just getting in a little closer, you can see the hairline is really nicely done. If you wanted to put it up, have a half up style. I know that style is trending even with short hair. Or you can do 2 ponytails. That would be cute for back to school. This is a 13x6 lace frontal. So that means that you get 13 inches across the side of lace and you get 6 inches of parting. And that's really surprising for a unit that costs only $39. And it appears that the knots were lightly bleached, so you have a really good starting point. But I like to do the Sally Hansen method just to create a really nice scalp-like finish. Now I'm gonna flat iron the hair, and then I'm gonna cut off the lace, and then we'll proceed to install. All right guys, now that I've cut off the lace and everything, we're gonna proceed to install. And I did use a different mousse this time. I'm trying out the Fantastic Got to Be Glue. It's a collagen infusion thickening plumping mousse. It has a great deal of shine. And I wanna see what that can do. It didn't weigh the hair down, so that's good. This is cute. This reminds me of the look that Tika Sumter had in the movie Nobody's Fool, and I really, really like that look a lot. It's really chic.
Waited by the phone for 5 hours, staring out the window, trying to locate where your manners disappeared to, hoping you would come back with some excuse.
finished look, and I am such a fan of what this looks like. I feel like it looks so classy, and the way this mousse made the hair look is just awesome. It gives it just the right amount of sheen, and this is supposed to actually make your hair appear to be thicker, more dense, stronger, healthier. It's also supposed to help with elasticity. So if your hair looks dull and dry, this will be a good mousse to apply. So I recommend that you guys try this. Also this unit, because listen, it is so fierce, and I wasn't sure how the middle part was gonna look with hair this short, but I really like it. It's gorgeous. And look at this cut, guys. I'm gonna give you all a full spin. I just can't believe all this motion and bounce we have. Oh, looks like I got a really nice blowout, silk press on my natural hair. It looks so realistic. I like this a lot. I didn't even put the combs in. I got so excited. I can't stop looking at it. This is like the perfect everyday wig. Just throw it on. It's so easy to install. If you wanted to put it behind your ear, you could do that. The hairline was really easy to lay down. I didn't even have to add baby hair, which is a plus. So I'm feeling this one, guys. All the links and specifications will be provided in the description box. You all be sure to check it out. I hope that you all love this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I look forward to your feedback, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.